Decoding the Harvard Style, Conference Papers and Proceedings. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a specific area of the Harvard referencing style, particularly focusing on citing conference papers and proceedings. By the end of this session, you'll be a pro at referencing those conference materials. Conference papers and proceedings are the academic papers presented in conferences. They represent the latest research in a particular field. It's crucial to cite them correctly because they can be pivotal sources in your research. When citing conference papers or proceedings in the Harvard style, follow this format. Author's last name, initials. Year, title of paper. In, editor's initials. Last name, eds. Title of the conference proceedings. Location. Date. Publisher, pages. Let's break this down. Author's last name, initials. The surname and initials of the authors, e.g., Smith, J. Year. The year the conference took place, e.g., 2021. Title of paper. The name of the paper presented, e.g., Exploring the Depths of Deep Learning. Editor's initials. Last name. If the proceedings have an editor, include their name here, e.g., Brown. A title of the conference proceedings. The official title of the conference. Location, date. Where and when the conference took place. Publisher. Who published the proceedings. Pages. The page numbers where the paper can be found. Let's bring it all together with a practical example. Imagine Jenny Smith presented a paper titled, Exploring the Depths of Deep Learning, in a conference named Annual AI Symposium 2021, edited by Alice Brown, held in Boston on June 15, 2021. The proceedings were published by TechWorld Publishers, and Jenny's paper was on pages 55 to 60. Here's how we'd cite it. Smith, J. 2021. Exploring the Depths of Deep Learning. In, Brown, A. ed. Annual AI Symposium 2021, Boston, the 15th of June. TechWorld Publishers, pp.55 to 60. 1. No editor? No problem. If there's no editor, simply omit that part. Title of paper. Title of the conference proceedings. Location. Date. 2. Multiple authors? List them in the order they appear, separating with an and. E.g., Smith, J. and Doe, J3. Online proceedings? If your source is online, and there's a URL or DOI, add it at the end. E.g., pp.55 to 60. Available at URL, DOI. There you have it. With this knowledge, you're all set to cite conference papers and proceedings like a Harvard-style expert. Remember, accurate referencing not only shows thoroughness in your research but also pays homage to the original authors. Happy citing, and until next time.